This hike today is on a Friday. We've just had a whole bunch of rain, and the idea is that we go waterfall chasing. So I have the privilege and the excitement of 3 teenagers that are joining me, my daughter and 2 of her friends. So that's going to be interesting. We are going from Devil's Peak. We're waiting for an Uber now, and then we're going to get to Devil's Peak, and then we're going to hike up to the Contour path, and from the Contour path we're going to head along past Platteklip all the way to Kloof Corner if the weather still holds, and then from there go down and back to the car park at Kloof Neck. This walk is around about 3 hours long and will be featured in another video that I'm doing in collaboration with somebody else. Also guys, one of the things, I've had a couple of people give me some comments and suggestions, which really helps. So if you see anything or you want to suggest anything, please remember to comment below and subscribe and like this video. So this line's head in the background, Signal Hill. You've got Table Mountain that we're now going to be walking under on the contour path. And then we're in an intersection now. You can go up that path. It takes you all the way to the top of Devil's Peak, which in 39 years I've only done twice. I don't know, something about it doesn't excite me. So we've got a photo shoot happening over there, which I haven't been invited to. That's the line's head again. And this is one of the most magical parts of this walk. Right, so here we go. The rock. Over here so we can see the waterfall. There it is. Somehow we're going to get through that. Right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We certainly enjoyed the hike. Lots of water. Didn't disappoint at all. Until Until the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.